Welcome back, dosto. Welcome back to my channel, Simplified Maths. In this chapter 3, today probably we will have the last lecture. Okay, matrices part 10, chapter 3, part 10, exercise 3.4. I am continuing. Last time what we did one sum for the to find the inverse matrix. Okay, of order 2. Order 2 means 2 by 2. So today I will do one more sum, okay, from the 3.4 of the order 3 by 3. Method will be same, but I will do one more sum to find the inverse. Okay, so that is, I am taking the sum number 15 now. Sum number 15. Whatever the inverse matrix you want to find, first of all just call it A. A is equal to means जो भी matrix दिया हुआ है, all of you look in the textbook and see the matrix A given to us is 2 minus 3, 3, 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3 minus 2, 2. Textbook must be open, all of you, and only we will be able to understand which sum we are doing. Okay. Now the question is common for all the first 17 sum. What is the question? Find the inverse. Okay. The question is find the inverse. Okay, na? That's the question asked. I have not written here it, but you have to understand if you have a textbook, find the inverse. This is the question. If it exists, ऐसा भी लिखा होगा. Exist कब नहीं होगा? That type of sum will come. I will definitely show you when it does not exist. Right now, all the sums what we are doing with the existence only. Okay, clear? So, what is the first step we understood in the last lecture? सबसे पहले क्या करना है दोस्तों? First of all, what we will do, taking, we know that, we know, or let us say taking A is equal to IA. Hope you remember this. Either you take A is equal to IA or A is equal to AI. Okay, right? And after writing this, you have to write down matrix A and I, but this A will remain A on. Okay, so therefore, matrix A means, see, it is little bit time consuming. 3 by 3 will take little time. Okay, while explaining, not only while explaining, but when you are doing it, when you are solving it, it will take time. And therefore, it is 3 marker or 4 marker always. अभी 2 marks में ये नहीं आ सकता, not possible, because by step wise, so many steps are. So matrix A, 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and the third row, 3 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 2 is equal to I. I means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And you remember this thing, that this right hand side A, we will put A only. The right hand side A, we shall put A only. Okay, right. And now, how to go further? Here, you know, on the left hand side, I write a note on also in the last video that on the left hand side, we have to get an identity. And whatever you get on the right hand side, ये change हो जाएगा, because we have to apply that elementary operation on the both the side at a time, simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously you have to apply whatever the operation we are doing on the both the side. So gradually what will happen? This matrix, I matrix will be gradually changing, and ultimately you will get the inverse. And on the LHS, you have to convert this matrix into I, means here आपको क्या करना है? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That is our goal, our target. Okay, right? And see, not necessary that what I am doing that you do. ये समझ लेना दोस्तों, ऐसा मत समझना कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो आप करोगे, then only answer will come. You can think of your own, because to find inverse with the elementary operations, there are so many different ways. Each person can think differently, but the final answer will be same. ओके, नो इश्यू, ठीक है ना। आपको ट्राई करना है तो खुद का ट्राई करके देख लेना। अब मेरी मेथड के बदले कोई और भी ट्राई करके देखना हो तो कर लेना, ठीक है, राइट। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, मेरे दिमाग में जो आता है वो ये है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल डू R1 goes to R1 plus R2. Okay? Actually, I want one over here. First, my goal is यहाँ पे मुझे one लाना। अभी मैं फर्स्ट और सेकंड रो पे एडिशन करूंगा तो we will not get one, but what is the reason that I am doing it? R1 plus R2 means 2 plus 2 will be 4, minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, 3 plus 3 will be 6. Remaining two rows as it is, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 is equal to. Okay. Now the same thing we have to do on the RHS as well. Okay. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा 1 plus 0. So 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Second and third row as it is. ठीक है, right? Into A. Got this? Now my purpose to do this, here it was 2 and here it was 3. So if I subtract them, then 2 minus 3 become minus 1. So मैंने और दूसरा भी एक reason है, आगे जाके पता चलेगा. If I take subtraction of first row and third row, then 4 minus 3. I am concentrating only for these elements, दोस्तों, only for this. Now first row and third row subtract करूँगा तो 4 minus 3 will become 1, isn't it? Okay. So taking R1 to R1 minus R3, okay, ये करेंगे तो 4 minus 3 आएगा डायरेक्टली 1 over here, ठीक है। सो देखो क्या होता है, दिस गिव्स what it will be, 4 minus 3 1, minus 1 minus minus 2, so minus 1 plus 2, so here also I got 1, then 6 minus 2 will be 4, 6 minus 2 क्या आ गया 4. Now again second and third row no change, so 2 2 3, okay, then 3 minus 2 2 is equal to the same thing you have to do here also. So 1 minus 0, R1 minus R3, 1 minus 0 will be 1 only. Here also 1 minus 0, 1 only, means no change on the RHS, but there will be change in some of the problems. Okay, so we have to apply operation on the both sides simultaneously. I repeat, 0 1 0, 0 0 1 into A. Okay, right? Now one more thing, dosto. Here what I am doing, I am doing one operation at a time. Here one operation, here one operation. But if you want to make a note, please make a note that you can make simultaneously two operations. How many? You can make two operations simultaneously at a time. Okay? But when you are starting with A is equal to IA, what is your observation? Observation is that I am doing the operation of row only. Can you see this? R1, R1, R3, R2, only row. If instead of IA, if you take AI, याद रखना दोस्तों, if you take AI, okay, then also you can do, no problem, okay. And one more thing, that if you start with the operation of row, then all the steps operation you have to apply, okay, with a row only. रो से ही करना होगा, फिर आप कॉलम से नहीं कर सकते दोस्तों, ठीक है, राइट। इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई दिस, या तो वो लास्ट वाला 2/2 है, वो भी आपको अगर ट्राई करना हो तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो, ठीक है, राइट। When you start with A is equal to AI, then you have to take the operation of columns. Then you take the columns. Column try कर लेना. लेकिन if you begin with the column operation, then all the steps you have to apply with the column operation only. एक स्टेप में कॉलम का ऑपरेशन किया, एक स्टेप में रो का ऑपरेशन किया, no, you will not get the answer. Be careful. Okay, this is very important thing. Please note it down. That once you begin with the row operation, then throughout the sum you have to operate or apply the row operation only. And what more things you have to note down? You have to note down that at the same time you can apply or you can have two operations. Okay, two operations एक साथ आप कर सकते हो, not more than two, otherwise there will be a confusion. Okay, right? कभी कभी मैं भी करूंगा दो से ज्यादा, but is not a rule. But when you are doing specially this type of operations, no, R1 to this or something, then only two operations, otherwise no, गड़बड़ होगी ही होगी. Okay, now see, I got this thing. अभी थोड़ा ध्यान से देखा, because I am turning out the page. So first I am explaining what to do. See here I got one. ये तो आ गया. अभी मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था, once you get this, ओके, ये वन के बिलो में जो है ये 2 और 3, उसको आप जीरो लाओ. क्या करेंगे आप? जीरो. तो यहाँ पे 2 का जीरो और 3 का भी जीरो लाना है. तो इफ पॉसिबल यू कैन मेक बोथ जीरो साइमल्टेनियसली, अगर हो सकता है तो, ठीक है, राइट. तो सी, अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, ध्यान से देखना. सेकंड रो है ना, R2, R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. ध्यान से देखो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सेकंड रो जो है उसमें से मैंने क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया? -2R1. तो सी दिस 2 2 और दिस इज 1 1. व्हेन आई एम डूइंग -2R1 मींस R1 मींस फर्स्ट रो को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके सेकंड में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? ये 2 बिकम 0, दिस 2 आल्सो बिकम 0. सो मुझे एक साथ दो दो जीरो मिल रहा है. बट याद रखना, यहाँ पर एक्चुअली हमको 1 चाहिए, बट वो बाद में देखेंगे. बट टू गेट जीरो हियर इज माय गोल. सो यहाँ पर तो मुझे जीरो मिल रहा है, यहाँ पर भी जीरो मिल रहा है, तो मैंने नीचे वाला ये नहीं सोचा, ये भी हो सकता था, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, इसको जीरो लाना है तो ये भी हो सकता है एक साथ. R2 माइनस 2R1 में दो दो जीरो आ गया. अभी थर्ड रो जो है, एंड ओके, एंड taking R3 2, taking R3 2, R3 minus 3R1. Hope you can see this. हाँ, दिख रहा है ना? ओके, राइट. सी R3 2, R3 minus 3R1 मीन्स थर्ड रो जो है दोस्तों, थर्ड रो, इन थर्ड रो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, -3R1 मीन्स ये 1 1 है और 4, उसको मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 3 सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इन द थर्ड रो. So here also I get 0. So with doing the two operations, I get 3 zeros. Here 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0. Three times, three positions I am getting 0. Okay. So as I told you, if you want to note it down, please note it down that at the same time simultaneously you can apply two elementary operations as I did. ठीक है, राइट. अभी इसका जो भी होगा that I am writing on the next page. Hope you understood this thing, what will be happening, and what where there will be no change in the first row because I am applying the operation to the second row and the third row. R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. R3 goes to R3 minus 2R1. So no change in the first row. So first row is remaining same only. Okay. Now just see. Okay. That will be, I'm writing it, keeping this page open because I have to also see that matrix. that will give you what? So see first row as it is. First row means it is 1, 1 and 4. Now as I told you, these two will become 0. वो जो 2 2 था, 2 2 becomes 0. And we are doing R2 minus 2R1. So first row multiplied by 2 and subtracting in second row, right? So 4 2s are 8. There is element 4. 4 2s are 8 and 3 minus 8 is coming there. Okay. There will be, again I am showing you. Hope you can see this. This is 4. 4 को 2 से multiply करेंगे. So 4 2s are 8. Right. And then you subtract it in 3. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. Isn't it? Okay. So it will be minus 5. And R3 goes to R3 minus 3R1. So in that case, this is also 0. So देखो हमारा 1 0 0 आ गया, right? R3 minus 3R1. So multiplying with 3 to the first row and subtracting. Okay. So here minus 2 is there on the already in the third row. That multiply with minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3. This will be minus 5. Okay. And this is 2. And 4 will be multiplied with 3. 4 3s are 12. And 2 minus 12, 2 minus 12 will be minus 10. This is the numbers coming after applying the operation, and the same operation we have to apply on the right hand side also. Okay. Now see, this is 110, first row no change. Second row goes to R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. Right now R2 is 010. That minus 2R1 करेंगे. Okay. So 0 minus 2R1. So it will be minus 2. 1 minus 2R1. So 1 minus 2. So it will be minus 1. Then 0 0 both 0 0 is there. So 0. Then R3 minus 3R1. I am just showing you right now. First I am writing it down. Then I will show how the numbers are coming. Okay. Then R3 minus 3R1. R3 third row, subtract minus 3R1. So 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. Again 0 minus 3 will be minus 3. And 1 minus 0 will be 1 only. And into 8. So all these numbers, how am I getting? For that, we have the operation. Sorry. We have the operation and the previous matrix also. Okay. Right? Just see. यहाँ पर आप देखना, अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो इसलिए ये 3 minus 2 2 है. See, third row goes to R3 minus 3R1. So just one number I am showing you. 3R1. So 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 is there. So 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 will be minus 10, which already I have written on the next page. Here if you see R3 minus 3R1. So 0 minus 3R1. So 1 multiplied by minus 3. 1 multiplied by minus 3. And then so adding it to the third row. So it will become minus 3 here. Same way minus 3 here. And this 1 minus is multiplied by 3. So it will be 0 remains 0 only. So 1 remains 1 only. Okay? So ये हो गया. I'm just showing few numbers that how the operation comes. One more time I am explaining or telling you dosto, not necessarily what I am doing you do. Okay? This may be the little bit easier way, or maybe your way or your method will be more easier than me. No issue, no problem. Okay? Don't feel that what I am doing, if you do that in the exam, then only you get marks. No. Okay? If you have any method in which little bit few steps are less, no problem, do it. But the final answer should be C. Okay? Right? Now see, here we have 1 0 0. Then you know what to do. Here this is 1 0 0. Then you know this is 0 1 0. So here instead of 0, I want 1. Now how it is possible? Here is a 0. I cannot get 1 here. यहाँ पे मुझे 1 लाना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. I will interchange second and third row. Okay? Second and third row मतलब how to write it symbolically? R2, R3 interchange. Okay? This gives what? R2, R3 अगर मैं interchange करूंगा दोस्तों, then first row as it is, second, third row interchange. So third row becomes second row. So it is 0, minus 5, minus 10. Second row becomes third row. So it is 0, 0, minus 5. Okay, right? And the same operation we have to apply on the right hand side. Right hand side also. Right hand side will be 1, 1, 0. And this will be minus 3, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0 into A. Okay, right? See, तो क्या हो गया 1, 0, 0. Then we want 0, 1, 0. So here also I got 0, right? Now this minus 5. See, I'm going to gradually. मैं सीधा यहाँ पर नहीं जा रहा हूँ. मैं first column किया. Then I think of the second column. Then I will go for the third one. Now above 0, what is there? Minus 5, no? Then what operation comes in my mind is, ध्यान से देखना, the operation which comes in my mind, I can do 2 operations at a time, right? See, R2 goes to, ध्यान से देखना, minus 1 upon 5 R2. What I am doing? Second row multiplied by minus 1 upon 5. So what is the advantage? दोस्तों, क्या advantage होगा? Minus 1 upon 5 से multiply करोगे, 0 remains 0. This become 1, which I want, and this will become 2. No problem, that we will think later on. But here at least I got 1, no? That is my purpose. And one more thing I can do, R3 को भी मैं same ही कर दूंगा. R3 goes to minus 1 upon 5 R3. Okay. What is the advantage of these 2 operations? So third row also I am multiplying by minus 1 upon 5. So because that this also become 1. यहाँ पर भी 1 आ गया. ठीक है, तो मैंने 2 चीज किया, यहाँ पर 1 लाया और यहाँ पर 1. हो गया कि नहीं? Isn't it? So that means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. So here I got 1, here also I got 1. बाकी सब देखेंगे next क्या होता है. Isn't it? तो देखो, second or third row only change. Again, no change in the first row, right? So it will be 1, 1, 4, and this you multiply by 0, then this become 1, this become 2, minus 10, no? So minus 10 will become 2, right? And third row, so it is 0, 0, 1. Hope you understand this thing. ये दोनों ऑपरेशन LHS में आ गया. Now the same operation you have to apply on the RHS also. ठीक है, तो RHS में अप्लाई करोगे. So again first row no change. This all you have to multiply by minus 1 upon 5. So sign change, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 0 into A. Isn't it? Okay, right? So now what to do? Just see. After doing this thing, अभी एक काम ये कर सकते हैं कि अभी मुझे here also I want 0. See, here I want 0. Now how to get 0 over here? For that, there is one thing comes in my mind, and that is R1 to R1 minus R2. R1 goes to R1 minus R2. Okay, R1 goes to R1 minus R2. First row subtract with the second row. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, so यहाँ पे 0 आ गया. 4 minus 2 2, no problem, that we'll see in the next step. But here I got 0, no, because I want 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So here I got 0, no. So gradually we are moving towards to get the identity matrix on the LHS. ठीक है, तो देखो क्या होता है अभी. That is, this will be R1 minus R2. So ये तो 1 का 1 ही रहेगा. Now this becomes 0. 4 minus 2 will be 2 only, and no change in the second and third row. So 0 1 2 0 0 1 is equal to, okay, is equal to, now see, 1 minus 3 by 5. So 1 minus 3 by 5 will be 2 by 5. Again 1 minus 3 by 5 will be 2 by 5. 0 minus 1 by 5 will be minus 1 upon 5. Hope you can do this orally, subtraction. And second, third row, no change. 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 upon 5, 2 by 5, 1 upon 5, 0. ठीक है? Okay, right. So see, 1 0 0 0 1 0. Now I want 0 0 1, and I want the 0 0 1. So what to do? What then again we will do think with the observation. To see, my observation says like this, that if I do, now see that what I will do is second row multiply, sorry, subtract from the, sorry, first row subtract in the second row. अगर ये करें हम तो क्या होता है, what is going to happen, just see, यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ध्यान से, so I think it will be what, no, then this will be changed. So now I do this thing. These two I want 0 0, no. So suppose I am taking, let's see what I am doing. R1 goes to R1 minus 2R3. फर्स्ट रो जो है उसमें से थर्ड रो सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो यहाँ पर 0 आ गया. एंड सेम थिंग सेकंड रो में करे तो R2 goes to R2 minus 2R3. ठीक है, these two operation I am going to do gives. Hope you understand this. R1 minus 2R3, ध्यान से देखो, तो क्या हो जाएगा, R1 में से थर्ड रो को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, then this will be remaining 1 only, 0 only, but this will become 0. हो गया. Then R2 minus also 0 minus 0, ये भी 1 minus 0 ही होगा. And now this will be 2 minus 2, so यहाँ पर भी 0 आ गया, तो 0 0 1 हो गया. Whatever you do here, we have to do on the RHS also. That I will write on the next page now. I'm turning off the page. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या करना होगा दोस्तों, first row, third row you have to subtract with multiplying the third row by 2, and similarly second row also. So that I will write on the next page now. Okay, I'm turning off the page and writing it. So on the left hand side, I already got 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, and 0 0 1. ठीक है, ये हमारा हो गया. Means we are almost at the end of the solution. Now on the this side, because I turned off the turning the page, I am writing the term 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5. Actually, no need to write. You can directly write it orally also. 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Then 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. I am writing that number so that you understand what to do. And minus 1 by 5 minus 0. This is the first row operation. Then the second row operation is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Then again 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 minus 0. And the third row as it is 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 0 into A. Whatever the subtraction I am doing here, dosto, that you can do it orally, no problem. But I have done it because turning off the page, you can get the idea how I am doing the subtraction. That's so this side is already I now दोस्तों, ठीक है, ये तो I हो गया हमारा, is equal to, right? Now 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5, so it is minus 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 0. Now this is minus 1 upon 5. 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5, minus 1 upon 5. This is plus 1 upon 5, 3 minus 2. This is simply 1 upon 5. And the third row as it is 2 by 5, 1 upon 5, 0 into A. Into A. Is that clear? Okay, right? So this way, I'm reminding the last lecture. Any matrix A multiplied by another matrix, and if you get the answer I, that means both of these matrices are inverse of each other. Hope you understand this. Okay, we know that we know that I is always A inverse A. है ना? A inverse A is equal to I, that we know, and therefore thus finally you get what is the answer A inverse. We have already derived the answer, so you have to write down a final answer here. Don't stop here as the answer. You have to write the answer separately. Minus 2 by 5, 0, minus 1 upon 5, then minus 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 by 5, 1 upon 5, 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, is that clear? Right? So hope you are now clear to find the inverse matrix using the elementary operation. So now in the homework, you just finish this exercise. Okay, exercise 3.4, and also you finish the exercise 3. Why I am giving the whole exercise in the homework? The reason is also it is a mixed exercise. All the types of sum we have done there. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Now I'm telling you, if you open your textbook and if you see the exercise 3, there are few sums of the exercise 3. Especially, let me tell you, first sum, second sum. Note, if you want to note down. First, second, third, three sums. 1, 2, and 3. Don't do it right now. Okay, maybe in the reduced syllabus it may be cancelled out also, but these first three sums are based on the principle of mathematical induction, that chapter we have not yet learned. Okay, so sum number 4 से start करो, 4 onwards. Okay, from, is that clear? Sum number 4 onwards, you just try. Don't try 1 2 3 सम्स। हाँ, बाकी के सम्स मेरे ख्याल से आपको आ जाएंगे। If there is any MCQ or if you have any doubts in the MCQ, please let me know, दोस्तों. Otherwise, I am planning to start the next chapter in the next my lecture, that is determinant. Okay, we'll begin with the new chapter, that is determinant. And once the determinant is finished, there will be a unit test. If not coming by the government, most likely government will take the test. Every year they take. Okay, last year also they took 25 marks. If not, then I am going to take it definitely. Is that clear? Okay, right? So just be prepared for the test and next chapter as well. Hope you understand the whole chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.